So I got curious after one of the insurance posts that I did, and I asked how many consumers abandoned homeowners insurance in the last 5 years. I asked from the state of Florida, but I got a broad overview nationwide. 11 million American homes, which is 1 out of 7 properties. They're currently uninsured, and the number has doubled in the last 5 years. And now we're up to about 12% of households without insurance, and that's happened since 2019. They claim that state and regional spikes, as you can imagine, California, Florida, Mississippi, Louisiana, uh, New Mexico. Some of them are due to forest fires, some of them are due to storms, hurricane storm surges. So basically, the unprotected value is $1.6 trillion dollars of uninsured property nationwide. A good portion of this is older homes, homes in threatened locations, and partly because that insurance became unattainable for an average homeowner. And what happened was, as people left the insurance market, they were driven out by the insurance companies. But when those people left and their policy monies weren't going into the pool, so to speak, it made the price of insurance go higher. So the insurance companies priced people out of the market. And now that's why you see things like people trying to legislate some sort of a homestead exemption for people who carry insurance because they're trying to force people into believing in a rebate for insurance that'll be applied to their actual tax, whoops, actual tax bill. And that may not work out because there are some homes, for example, in the Bonita Springs area, along the rivers. They could have been built in the 50s, 60s, 70s, where it could easily cost 20,000, 30,000 a year to insure those homes to have flood and homeowners insurance. And many insurance companies do not allow you to just insure for homeowners. They'll demand, as part of their underwriting, for you to also have a flood policy. So that doesn't benefit them. Who's going to spend $20,000 a year to get some small tax abatement when they're just barely surviving to begin with? And that's one of the things that came up in the comments on one of my other um, social media responses about insurances in Southwest Florida, and of course nationwide, is pulled up in this video.